So, dear students, welcome to our first session of the professional elective course 6, which is data analytics. And data analytics is very important part in today's era because we all are dealing with huge voluminous data. So, the course description is that data analytics is an ever evolving discipline with lots of focus on new predictive modeling techniques, and these techniques are coupled with rich analytical tools so that the increasing capacity should be there to handle the big data. This data analytics is mainly in use because of big data. As I said, the data we are dealing with is having a very high volume, variety. That's why the data analysis concept comes in the focus. So, the prerequisite for this particular course is data mining, because data warehouse is also collection of large amount of data and we are trying to extract the information from the data. So that's why the prerequisite course for this particular data analytics course is data analytics. As per our every time we are having this rule that in our first lecture we are always explaining the course outcome, and all of you are already aware about the program outcomes. So the main course objective we will see first. The course objective of this big data is to understand the concept of big data, because data analytics is related to that, to understand the concept of data science, to do the data analysis, to apply the concept of data visualization, and then to apply the data analytical tools. So, when we are dealing with data analytics, first we should understand what is big data. Then we should understand the concepts of data science. Now, when we know about big data and data science, we should be able to analyze the data, and then we should be able to apply the various concepts of data visualization, as well as according to need we should be able to apply the data analytic tools as well. So the course outcome of data analytics is, after successful completion of this course, the student will be able to understand the concepts of big data. So after completion of this course, students will be able to differentiate between data and big data, and what exactly the concept of big data is. Understand the concepts of data science. All the various concepts of data science will be understood after this successful completion. Do the data analysis. Whatever type of data we are having, though it is structured, semi-structured, unstructured, still the analysis can be done. Apply the concepts of data visualization. There are various tools as well to visualize the data, so students will be able to apply those concepts and apply the data analytical tools. So these are the course outcomes of data analytics. Now in our unit 1, it is completely having the details of introduction to big data. So first, what is big data we will see. Before some evolution there were 3 V's of data, but now there are 4 V's that we will see. Terminology related with data science, the methods of data repository, personnel involved in data science, the various types of data, the various kits and the example applications we will, as well as we will see the crowdsourcing analytics, benefits of big data in unit 1. Then in unit 2 we will see the data science, the concepts of data science, then the familiarity with example applications. In unit 3 we will be completely going through data analysis. What do you mean by the applied statistical techniques? Which types of statistical data are there? How we can collect the data for sampling and distribution? Then different types of statistical mean estimation problem, and so on. In unit 4 we will go through the data visualization, where we will see the importance of data visualization, the conventional methods, the challenges of visualization, and the potential solutions and the future progress. In unit 5 we will have the advanced analytics, and that's why we will be going through Hadoop, the architecture and component of Hadoop, then MapReduce, introduction of pig, MapReduce pig versus Hive, pig versus MapReduce, and so on. So all these units will be able to help us to know the details about big data, the tools of big data, how it can be analyzed and how it can be visualized. So this is all about the course objective, course description and course outcome of big data. From our next section we will start with our unit 1. Thank you.